Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is my video for 7th grade lesson 4. So let's get started with 1. There are B bottles of juice in each of P packs, which makes a total of T bottles. Which of the following equations represents this proportional relationship? So let's think of an example. Let's say there are 3 packs that has 3 bottles of juice in each. And to get the total number of bottles, we're going to have to multiply the number of bottles in each pack with the number of packs. So T equals BP. That's our answer. There are 5 seats in each of C cars in the parking lot, which makes a total of S seats in the parking lot. Which of the following equations represent this proportional relationship? Okay, this is similar to number 1. To get the total number of seats in the parking lot, we're going to have to multiply 5 by C. And the equation that represents this relationship is B. So that's our answer. 3. An hour H has 60 minutes N. Which of the following equations represent this proportional relationship? So let's say H is equal to 2. So there are 2 hours. To get the number of minutes, we're going to have to multiply 2 by 60 because 1 hour has 60 minutes, and that gives us 120 minutes. And which equation shows us that? That is A. 60 times 2 is equal to 120. Let's look at 4. A yard Y has 3 feet F. Which of the following equations represent this proportional relationship? If there was 1 yard, then we would have 3 feet. If there was 2 yards, we would have 6 feet. So we're multiplying the number of yards by 3 in order to get the number of feet. So that means our answer will be D. We're multiplying 3 by Y in order to get F. Check whether the given number is a solution to the equation or inequality. Answer yes or no. So we're substituting the number next to the semicolon into our variable and check if it's correct or not. So for 1, we're going to substitute x with 8. That becomes 8 plus 9. And 8 plus 9 is 17. So the given number is a solution, so we're going to say yes. Let's look at 2. 13 plus 4y equals 18, and we're going to put 1 for y. If we do, we get 13 plus 4 equals 18. But 13 plus 4 is 17, so that is not equal to 18. So it is not a solution, no. Let's get 4. K divided by 10 plus 9 equals 10. We're going to put 10. So that becomes 10 over 10 plus 9 equals 10. And 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. That is true, so we're going to say yes. And try the rest on your own. Let's move on. How many 1/10 liter glasses of milk can you pour from a 1/2 liter bottle? So in order to solve this problem, we're going to divide 1/2 by 1 over 10. And when we're dividing by a fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. So 1 over 2 times 10 over 1, that becomes 10 over 2, which is 5. So C. How many 1/5 slices of pizza can you get from 5 pizzas? Let's think about just one pizza. If we're getting 1/5 slices, that means we can get a total of 5 slices. per pizza. And if you have 5 pizzas, we're going to multiply 5 by 5, and that gives us 25. 3. Which ratio forms a proportion with 26 over 12? In order to solve this, we're going to simplify, and we can do that by dividing it by 2. So 26 over 12 divided by 2 over 2, that is 13 over 6, which is C. Let's get one. You are taking part in a charity walk and you have walked 11.6 miles so far. Your goal is to walk 35 miles. How many more miles do you need to walk to meet your goal? This is a very simple problem. You have walked 11.6 miles and your goal is to walk 35 miles. So all we have to do is just subtract 11.6 from 35, and that is 23.4 miles. 2. You buy a storage rack that holds 40 CDs. You have 27 CDs. Write an inequality that describes how many more CDs you can buy and still have no more CDs than the rack can hold. Use X for the number of CDs you can buy. So since we can't have more than 40, when we add X to 27, this number should not be greater than 40. So we're going to make it less than or equal to 40. You buy 15 CDs, will they all still fit? 27 plus 15 is 42, and 42 is not less than 40. So no, they will not all fit. And thanks for watching.